Welcome to the KARME Associate Compensation Plan. You recognize the value of owning a tax business, the freedom to control your time, the stability of offering a service people need every year, and the opportunity to build income, leadership, and a lasting legacy. Building a successful business should not mean figuring everything out alone, carrying high overhead, or waiting years to see results. With KARME, you can earn while you learn, be rewarded as you grow, and build a business that can create income beyond the work you personally perform. Let's explore what your first few days as a new KARME business owner. With KARME, we do not want you to spend months trying to figure out how to start a tax business before you can begin earning. Our goal is to help you complete the essential steps needed to launch. On your first day, you will be plugged into the Fast Start program. We work with you to establish 4 key parts of your business: your virtual office, your tax software, your professional credentials, and your basic training. Once those initial steps are complete, you can begin making money from day one by bringing in and serving your own tax clients within your skill set. You do not have to complete every course before you begin building your business. After Fast Start training, you can continue learning at your own pace, completing additional tax training as you are ready to expand your knowledge and take on more advanced files. Once you complete the required tax training, you will also be added to the KARME lead distribution list for the junior associate level. That means you can earn from the clients you bring to the business and become eligible to receive leads distributed through the KARME network. The KARME compensation plan creates a clearly defined path from new associate to organizational leader. As you complete more training, gain experience, serve more clients, and develop leadership skills, you can advance through the compensation levels. Your journey begins as a junior associate. Junior associates earn a 25% personal commission. After purchasing the Fast Start kit and completing basic training, junior associates are qualified to prepare W-2 tax returns. You're not expected to begin knowing everything. You begin with the fundamentals, work within your approved skill level, and receive support as you gain experience. The goal is to fast-track you to associate. Once you're an associate, you will make 30% from personal commissions. To advance to this level, you must complete your professional tax training, KARME's associate training, and complete 25 tax files at the junior associate level. You can fast-track your promotion to associate by completing your qualified trainings and complete 5 tax returns within the first 30 days of being a KARME associate. As soon as your associate trainings are complete, you will be added to the KARME lead distribution list. Once you become a team lead, your personal sales commission increases to 35%, and a new income opportunity begins. Team overrides. To advance to team lead, complete team lead training and 50 tax returns. You can fast-track your promotion by completing the team lead training and recruit 3 associates. After completing the required trainings, team leads are qualified to prepare more advanced individual returns. You will be added to the 1099 and home-based business lead distribution list. Becoming a team lead introduces an important new concept: team overrides. Up to this point, most of your income comes from the tax returns and sales you personally complete. But once you build and support a team, your business can begin producing income even when you are not the person preparing every return. Here's an example. An associate on your team serves a client and earns their personal commission. Because you helped recruit and support that associate, you will earn an override on their production. The associate is paid for doing the work, and you're compensated for helping make the work possible. Personal commissions pay you for the work you perform. Overrides compensate you for the organization you build. Here's how the override ladder works. KARME splits 50% between you and your team. When a team lead has a junior associate on their team, the team lead will receive a 10% override on production, the difference between 35% and 25%. If the producing team member is already an associate earning 30%, the team lead may receive a 5% override, the difference between 35% and 30%. As leaders advance, the potential spread increases across levels. Overrides create leverage. When you only earn from the files you personally complete, your income is limited by your individual time and capacity. But when you plug associates into a reliable system, your organization can serve more clients than you could serve alone. That is the shift from simply working in the business to building a business that lasts. As your production, knowledge, and organization grows, additional leadership levels become available. Managers earn a 40% commission on personal sales plus overrides from your team. A director earns a 45% commission on personal sales plus team overrides. The highest listed level is executive director, earning a 50% personal sales commission plus team overrides. The great part about working with KARME is that tax preparation is only one way to earn. As you work with clients, you may discover that they also need help beyond tax preparation. You can earn additional income offering bookkeeping, payroll, business formation, registered agent services, audit and identity theft protection, legal services, insurance solutions, and other business and financial support. You do not have to personally perform every service. You benefit from the professional network KARME has created. You identify the need, connect the client to the appropriate KARME expert, and earn a commission when the service is completed. This allows you to serve your members completely without being the expert in every field. Working with KARME has perks. At KARME, your production and professional development is recognized. Associates earn points for qualifying tax files, team challenges, and training activities. Those points allow you to receive bonuses while continuing to build your knowledge and your business. Associates can redeem qualifying points for KARME merch, gift cards, and trainings. Points can also help associates qualify for all-inclusive company trips. That means your growth can do more than increase your commission. Now, let's talk about profits, leverage, and legacy. One of the biggest advantages of building under the KARME umbrella is the ability to operate with significantly lower overhead than starting a tax business completely on your own. When you start independently, you have to pay separately for tax software, office systems, professional email, a phone system, a website, client management tools, training, support, marketing resources, and other business expenses. Those costs can add up quickly before you have even prepared your first return. With KARME, you can begin with a professional business infrastructure that helps you keep your operating expenses low while giving you access to the systems and resources needed to serve clients, build your business, and create multiple ways to earn. The goal is not only to make more money, it is to build a profitable business without being buried under startup expenses. With the KARME Associate Program, you are building leverage from the beginning. You can earn additional income by connecting clients to services. You will receive perks when you earn performance points, earn overrides, and build leverage beyond your personal production. And ultimately, create a book of business that may be sold, transferred, included in your succession plan, or protected by the KARME organization when you can no longer serve it yourself. From your first tax file to your first team member, KARME is here to help you build something that lasts. Because life can change unexpectedly. Should illness, disability, retirement, an emergency, or another circumstance prevent you from fulfilling your duties, you can rest assured that KARME has the infrastructure and professional network to help care for your clients. Your relationships can remain protected within the KARME community while an appropriate continuity plan is implemented. That is how KARME protects your legacy. As long as your book of business remains under the KARME umbrella and all program requirements are satisfied, you can create a succession plan for what you build. You may have the opportunity to sell your book to an approved KARME professional. You can establish instructions through your estate plan or will. You can also create a transition plan for a qualified successor who can continue caring for the clients and relationships you developed. Every client you serve and every recurring relationship you develop contributes to your book of business. You are not simply collecting commissions. You are building an asset with long-term value. You have every reason to start your KARME journey today. Connect with your KARME associate to get started.